Vanakkam. Secret for long hair. Okay, so this is my hair which I just recently cut. These in the bottom are extensions. Do you guys know what hair extensions are? So I use them for movies and stuff because my hair is pretty long. It had gotten almost to this length, but can you see that difference? That's my hair, and this little extra bit is not my hair. And a lot of us in the movies wear extensions because they like the. But yeah, so all of this is mine, and then the bottom is in. And I always cut my hair in lockdown because that's the only time I'm like, oh, I don't have to worry about it matching on camera. So then I just go. But yeah. Hi, you're from Iran. Hi. Someone's like, Diet Coke is bad for health. I know. I kind of love it though. It is. Talk about Tamil. Tamil பத்தி பேசணுமா இல்ல தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? உங்க கேள்வி புரியல. Where am I now? I'm in front of my bookshelf in my home in Mumbai. I'm from Dubai. Good for you. I don't remember the last time I went to Dubai. It was ages ago. Ages. हिंदी में क्या बोलूं? हिंदी. क्या बोलूं हिंदी में? Hey, with the sunflower. Oh, hi Nimish. Say me. Sorry, someone was calling. Say me to hi. Someone literally cried in the theater while watching Vakil Saab. In a good cry, hopefully. Vanakkam, madam. Vanakkam. Hi. So yeah, just in lockdown. Thought I'll check in with everyone and send you some love and good energy and happy juju. When will you marry? I don't know. Are you going to print my wedding invitation card or you are going to cater food? Then only you can able to ask. Love from Bangla. தமிழ்ல பேசுங்க. என்ன பேசுறது? கேள்வி கேளுங்க, தமிழ்ல பதில் கொடுக்கிறேன். ஹேர் பின்னாடி போட்டு கட்டுங்க ப்ளீஸ். இப்படியா கொஞ்சம் போறீங்களா? How about Salar? Yeah, Salar, we were supposed to start soon. Again, depends on the situation with the pandemic, and then hopefully sooner rather than later. Love from Kashmir. Hi, I was there last when I was 2 years old. It was beautiful, so beautiful. I still remember it weirdly. Those chains though. Nimish, I am going to do a piano live. It's just that I have to turn everything around and I've just like set my frame and everything. Hi. This is Sanjay. Hi. Accept my video request. Maybe not today. Can you sing Vana Mallai song? I'll do a whole singing thing, I promise. Tamiranda, someone's like, last year you were doing lives. Yeah, I was doing lives with women last time, but that was also because a lot of people were more available because basically the whole world pretty much was in lockdown. Now some of us are and some of us aren't, so it's like much harder to plan stuff. Yeah, so love from Mumbai. Are you in Mumbai as well? Lockdown like me and staying inside, hopefully. You said, can you say my name? And your name is Hacking King Dev. So Dev is your name? Okay. Hi. Wait, I'm trying to get a question. Gosh, so many. Akshara has beautiful eyes. Yes, she does. She has really beautiful eyes. Cyrus, thank you. It's just part of my book collection. Hi, Akshu. Somebody just said you have beautiful eyes, and I was like, yes, she has beautiful eyes. I'm big fan. Sorry. You are beautiful, Akshu. Sorry, sisters are like bonding on the Insta live. I have awesome eyes. Oh, thank you. Actually, both Akshu and I get nice eyes from both our parents, I think. What was this question? If I was not a part of the film industry, I would have still done something creative. Maybe interior designing, writing for sure, music, of course, if not the film industry. But yeah, in a Malayalam movie, I would love to do a Malayalam film at some point because I'm just such a fan of Malayalam cinema. I don't speak Malayalam very well, so that's something I'll have to work on. Hi Siddharth, thank you so much. When can you see me again as a music director? Well, it's like with the kind of time that it takes and also acting, it's much easier for me to do independent music because then the commitment you have to a team to score and to do that it's a lot. But hopefully maybe in the future. Can't wait to meet Meetu and the world famous Clara. Yeah, both characters and are very different, very unique, and I hope you love both those women. Is Dandanaka still my favorite song? Yeah, I think it still is, but Kalasala is like my all-time favorite. That that mood, that song. Yeah. Do you like your Do I like my own performance in DD? Yeah, I mean, every time I look at my work, I'm like, I should have changed this, I should have done that, So you always want to improve, but it's a very special role in my career, and I loved the team, and yeah, so I guess I liked it, but can it improve? You can always improve. Yeah. Hi, I'm Sanjana. Hi, Sanjana. Hi, Sunita. Madam, you do great dance. Joking. Good. No, I'm so confused by that comment. Unga peru Suresh. Ana unga peru Jananiya varudhu. Sorry. I'm கண்ணழகா பாட்டு பாடுங்க நான் ஒரு நாள் மொத்தமா மியூசிக் மட்டும் பண்றேன் promise I'll sit I'll get my piano and I will do a music sesh with you guys. Lots of love from Manipur, much love from Manipur. You can be just ad-libbing your comments. Someone's like, yeah, waiting for your next single. I'm just still running in our minds. Thank you. Soon. I'm really excited for you guys to hear and see the next one. So soon, fingers crossed. I'm super excited. Some of you know the song, I think, but we've reworked it. Do you speak Kannada? No, I don't, and I'd love to learn just a little bit. I've sung in Kannada ages ago, but I love language, so yeah. Oh My Friend is the most underrated movie ever. Oh gosh, I forgot about that film. I wouldn't say I had fun making it, but I had fun playing that character. Music session is coming up, I promise. Yeah, I'll just go live and like jam, and you can see all the kaka mistakes I make also on my piano, because I'm not actually a trained piano player. I trained in vocals but not in piano, so the piano and I have a very passionate connection, and that's about it. Telugu songs soon, definitely. I haven't sung in Telugu in like, I don't remember, ages. Say my name, please. Salman's Malik or Salman S. Malik? Say hi, Madhu. Okay, hi. How are you, madam? I'm good, thank you. How polite, thank you. You like to continue as a singer? Yeah, I mean, I'm really happy to have the opportunity to express myself in many different ways. So, yeah, definitely. What is the first Telugu sentence or word? Andriki Namaskaram. ఈ రోజు ఇక్కడ వచ్చినందుకు నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. Is what I learned during the like to speak on my own during the Gabbar Singh audio launch, and before that I was like only my dialogues and stuff, and I'll be like, Bandi ekkada undi. Just basic stuff. Yeah, no, I mean, Telugu, like when I'm in Hyderabad and speaking to people in Telugu, then it just comes back. And then when I like leave, it like kind of fades. But it's in and out for me, really. The last time I did something in Hollywood was Treadstone. Definitely something again in the future soon, hopefully. But who knows, right? With this pandemic, do I like reading? I mean, I think it's pretty obvious. But is it just me, or like I just get like sleepy quick when I read now? So like before this, I could read half a book in one evening, but now like into 15 pages, I think it just relaxes me so much that I feel like sleeping. So, but I really love, as you can see, graphic novels. Those are my favorite because it's just all the pictures, and yeah, I love it. Please dub in Telugu. Yeah, I loved dubbing for X Life. That was the first time I dubbed in Telugu, and I was really happy that people liked it. So definitely more in the future. हाँ जी, मुझे हिंदी पता है. Junction Low or Down Down? Definitely Down Down because I sung it as well, and even the steps were like so fun. And yeah, definitely Down Down. Somebody's like, what is your passion when acting or singing? So it's really different, right? Like with music, it was always like the soul connection and passionate. It took me a long time to get there with acting, but when I got there, the love was so deep and passionate, and the excitement of being able to make a person come alive that doesn't exist it grabbed me, but it grabbed me much later, to be honest with you. I missed some questions. How's my health? Very good, thank you. I'm doing well. What's your favorite color? It's obvious. Black. Black is my favorite color. All shades of black. Black with other stuff as well. थोड़ा सा English कम कीजिए, ठीक है. But you know the thing is, I mean, हाँ हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ, तमिलियों पेसराना. Collectively for everyone to understand, that's why I speak in English. Otherwise, I'll have to do separate. Maybe I should do that. I don't fast for Ramzan because I don't practice Islam. But yeah, do I know Gujarati? No, I don't. What is the last Telugu film? Where is my cat? She's upstairs. My last Telugu film, it was actually the X Life series. I watched all the other ones and I loved Ramula. Like, I loved that movie so much. It was so good and everyone was so good in it. Love from Assam. Hi, Kihol. Favorite character in Game of Thrones is definitely Cersei. I think she's so complex. I love Cersei. Mochi or sushi? Mochi. 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 Yeah, mochi. Love from Hyderabad. Hi, hope you're staying safe. Tamil talk pannaka. Seri, enna solradhu. Like I said, I'll do different languages. Like today will be Telugu live, tomorrow will be Hindi live, then Tamil live. And the madri, I think that would be good. My eye color is hazel brown. Tamil pesa matingla first, okay? I just explained that this is a universal live. So next time, verum oru Tamil live pandren. Okay ngla? Jaipur calling you. See, I don't think any of us should really be traveling right now. But when I can, I would love to visit Jaipur. It's a beautiful, beautiful city. Yeah, it's really lovely. Actually, India has so many beautiful places. I always think to myself that I have not explored India as much as I should. You know, the northeast, even parts of the south, east, west, everywhere. Like, we just keep kind of like flying out of the country and like celebrating those sceneries and like posting on Insta. But in India, there's just so many beautiful places. that I want to explore more, because we do have a beautiful country. Also, weird fact, like I haven't seen what is the red book behind me? You mean this? Habibi? Is that what you're asking about? When was the last time I googled myself? Maybe 2 weeks back, because I have to check something. But I don't really Google myself much. It can become a bad habit to like self-obsess like that. Annoying auntie, please. Yeah, I need that filter. I will. Should I do an annoying auntie in this outfit? Because annoying aunties become very fashionable now. Love from Kerala. Hi. She's become like really fashion conscious. She's still single, by the way, if you know any annoying uncles. Pandiswari. Hi. Hi. Ella unnam. Bavunam meeru ella unnam. Mumbai is 10 hours. What? So quick. Okay, I have to actually scroll and figure. Hi, Bangalore, Sumit Sen. Love from Gujarat. Hi. Thank you. Hi. So many people from so many different places. I love that. That's so cool. I really love that. Someone's giving those eyes. So many of those eyes. Hello. So Seedhe Mauth I just discovered recently. So I don't have a favorite song yet, but they're really dope. And I could have which of them is my favorite? I don't know if it's here. There's Death, which is one of my favorites here. And then that's just the cover. And then there's Sandman, which is like my all-time favorite. Batman, of course, which I have. I love manga comics as well. But these are just some of them, not all of them. Yeah. Last time long drive. I think to shoot somewhere. I was going to shoot. Yeah. If I just keep telling everyone's name, this will become boring life. Sorry. Hi from Atlanta. Brian in the house. One of my favorite humans ever. Kamal sir eppadi irukanga? Nalla irukanga. I am working on new music singles, not albums as much, but yeah. Please tell us all your nicknames. No, all. Fruity, Shruts, Shitty. And my dad calls me Satakopa. Shrutu as well. Yeah. My favorite movie of Appa is probably Mahanadi. Next single soon, I promise. I'm working on it and I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm like, my sister's in Chennai. No, I can't do the name thing. Why don't you act with your father? I will, hopefully in the future. So a Neil Gaiman fan, I presume. You presume right. Slightly obsessed for many years now. Sapte. I made pizza at home today. Fruity is the best one. Yeah, I think Fruity is good. Someone's like MC Altaf is here. Hi. Drop your next single soon. Hi Altaf. Yes, I will. Promise. Where is your father? He's in Chennai. So is my sister. Mom and I are here in Bombay. My next movie, I'm working on a film called Salar, which is in multiple languages, and an Amazon show in Hindi, and then more coming up soon. உங்களுக்கு 7up பிடிக்குமா? Okay, பிடிக்கும். எனக்கு லிம்கா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். I'm from Sri Lanka. Hi. What's your next project? So I'm currently, as I said, in between projects, and then hopefully have new stuff to announce soon. But depends on the pandemic, no? We're all just like kind of hanging in the air. But it's taught me to be like, like just take each moment as it comes and not be like over planning, and because you don't know. So when you get the chance to work hard, work good, don't listen to no negative BS from people. Just blinders on, go straight, go up, you know. Hindustani style song. Okay, next time, I promise. I said I will do like a whole piano thing. Are you gonna collaborate with any Indian rapper soon? Yeah, I'd love to. I mean, but it has to be like the right vibe. So definitely. Favorite destination? I do love London, and I miss London. I haven't been there since 2020 March. I love your acting. Thank you. No need Pano. Pano कौन बजाता है? What is Pano? Favorite South Indian sambar sadam. Then dosa. I like dosa also. I promise, Artharbati, do you know Assamese? No, but I can start to understand a little bit. Little bit. Not too much. It's quite different. With whom are you working with right now? Right now, just myself because I'm in lockdown. Home taught. No, I'm not going to carry this around. I think there's one on YouTube. You can watch it. I've met Prabhas ages ago. Before our movie. He's really sweet, really down to earth. Hi Karan! So Karan and I work together on Edge. Karan plays guitars beautifully and is a lovely producer. And yes, Karan, soon. You know which song it is because you worked on it. Do you read DMs? No, I don't read DMs because I get DMs only from the people that I follow. So I do have a group of fans. No, not fans. They're like family, like my digital family. And I do read their DMs and we keep in touch. And yeah, but not everyone's DMs. That would be a lot of DMs. You are an angel. Sometimes not. Thank you. So much love from Rajasthan. Hi. Thank you. Say something about Ilayaraja. So wow, that was like random and amazing. First time I ever sang for a film was under the great Ilayaraja sir's music direction, for which I just think it's such a blessing. I'm always like, that. Of course it happened because of my dad and everything, but it may not have happened. And he told them that, you know, she has a really strong voice. So I felt really blessed. I always still do. Hi Mansi. Kannada, I don't know how to speak Kannada, but I will learn soon. You are so cute. Thank you. Oh, so sweet, Mansi. Thank you. Mansi's got in the house. Someone just sent me money, muscles, and 100%. You know what? We all need that. That set of emojis is what we all need right now. Money, fitness, and 100%ing on everything. Someone's like, hola. Oh, to Mansi, not to me. Sorry. Cross connection. Bam, can you accept my live request? Not today. Sorry. Love from Bihar. Talk about Bihar. I've never been. உங்களுக்கு எப்போ மேரேஜ்? ஏன் எதுக்கு கேக்குறீங்க? உங்களுக்கு எப்போ மேரேஜ்? அத சொல்லுங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட். Fans meet when everything gets back to normal. I would love to. Really would love to do that. Chennailayum, Hyderabadlayum, I will definitely plan something. If you think I'm cringe, who's asking you to watch this live? Bye. Chumma. I just don't get, generally in life, trolling and all I get. Like, that's a species, that's whatever. But to go out of your way to be like a hissy cat is just like, don't do it, mate. Love from Pune. Hi. Greetings from South Africa. Oh my God, I loved South Africa. My first ever film I shot there, and I went to Cape Town, Durban, Johannesburg. It was so good, and it's just it was full of so many different kinds of geographical things, like one side beaches, then mountains where it's cold. Like it was amazing, and deserts as well. So yeah, it was amazing. Favorite party spot? I'm not really a party person. I used to like partying when I was younger, but I'm not really a party person. So if I did want to have a get together which is smaller, not like a party, probably my house. I love hosting people. I love cooking for my friends, and I love feeding my friends, and I really feel happy when I look in my home and it's full of people having a nice time. So yeah, probably a small party in my house. That's my vibe. Love from Nagpur, love from Kerala. Thank you. Hi, ha ha ha. Hi. I love you. Thank you. Hi from Gujarat. Oh, kisses from Gujarat. Hi. I'm just ad-libbing. எனக்கு போர் அடிச்சதுன்னா நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? I don't get bored that much because I keep myself busy. Yeah, I don't actually get that bored. Dub smash kind. Oh, I don't know. Everyone does it so much now. It's kind of like, where they're like, I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. And I'm not good at all these like cool edits and like those spins. I'm like, don't bother. My next Tamil movie is Labam. Love from Mumbai. Hi, Aquarian Lee. I'm Aquarian too. And we're both Labam. Feet tattoo. Feet tattoo. Oh, I'm wearing a skirt. I just forgot. That was dangerous. It says rise. No. Hi from Tanjore. Hi. Good evening, G. Good evening, G. हाँ जी, मैं हिंदी भी बोलती हूँ. Where are you now? I am in my home in Mumbai, locked down. Please sing Edge. Yes, I will do a whole. You don't reply to my messages. Oh, I'm sorry, Reshma. As you can understand, there are many going. Yeah, so I will do a whole music session. For sure. Does someone have. Oh, Akash. I thought someone's name was Akshara and I got excited. Oh, but hi, Akash. I know I'm just a teenage girl. Oh, how sweet. Thank you. I remember being a teenager. That was a long time ago. What's your mind language? Ketta vartha in Tamil. Logic in English. Do you like Mumbai street food? Yeah, I do. I really do. Please pick with you. After the pandemic? Maybe? Not right now. I'm gonna go in a bit, guys. Best husky voice ever. Thank you. Sorry, I can't read Telugu script, only Tamil and Hindi. All the books behind me are mine. Why would I keep somebody else's books in my house? I know. Someone said, please be careful. It's dangerous outside. It's properly scary outside, and we all just have to be very responsible right now and take care of each other by being individually responsible. What does mean by posa? It's an Assamese word. Posa is, do you see? Ghar. Okay? Ghar. What is my favorite? I don't play a lot of musical instruments. I play the piano, again not trained in it, and I play the tabla, but you guys can't see it. It's below there. But I had to learn that for Hindustani Sangeet. So piano, yeah. Ramadan Mubarak to you too. Someone's like, hi Karan sir. All you read all books. Actually, yeah, I have read most of these books. Most of them. I think there's maybe one or two that I haven't read. All fun books. Oh, I haven't read this. Oh no, I have read that. Yeah. I've read most of them. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Can I speak Assamese? No. Roses. I love roses. But this looks like a cabbage, but it's supposed to be a rose. So send me roses, please. I wish there was a black rose emoji. I'd use it all the time, every time. Am I veg or non-veg? I was vegan for a long time. Now I'm back to being non-vegetarian. But honestly, I don't like to have like non-veg every day. I have it like once or twice a week. I'm not accepting video requests. I would just... Hi from Varanasi. Please be safe. Hi. Hearts. Thank you. I'm gonna go and literally 4 minutes. You know, something really annoying happened for those of us who are black nail polish. I don't know how I managed to peel exactly that. So annoying. Thank you. Sing one song. No, I will do a whole music thing, I promise. More roses. Thank you. Hi from Goa. Hi. Are you annoyed with everyone showing up in Goa? I would be. Hello, please call my name. Call my name? Hello, name? Do I miss my short hair days? Yeah. I do. आपने इतना weight loss क्यों किया? No, I like being fit, guys. It's my thing. Hi. Hi. बालों को पीछे करो. क्यों? मुझे आगे रखना है. You are so adorable when you change voice. Oh, thank you, Shriram. It's an annoying habit of mine. It's very annoying. People who know me like and hang out with me all the time are just like... Tell us about biopic. My bio. நீங்க தமிழ் பேசுங்க. இன்னொரு தமிழ் லைவ் செப்பரேட்டா பண்றேன். Princess பண்ண அமிர்தா. My Forever 21 is here. Hi. Young Raja in the house. Hi. Munch or Dairy Milk? Both. But since I endorsed Munch, I'll say Munch first. But Dairy Milk, Black Forest. Then Fruit and Nut. நீங்களும் கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்ல பேசுங்க. தமிழ்ல I cannot. It's a universal chat. Cannot only able to Tamil. Thank you so much. Hi Amrita. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க madam? I'm sure whoever knows me knows Forever 21. Someone's just like Akka. Shopping World 6. Shopping World. Oh, thank you. Do I like K-pop? I've not really gotten into it. But I really appreciate the production and the choreography and the makeup. Like even the guys have amazing makeup. What's up with that? Like flawless. Annoying Annie. Hanuma, how are you? But I need the filter. I'm good, Amrita says. Amrita, can you just text me on WhatsApp? It's literally like we're having a chat of my life. Any funny moment? Forever 21 is the funniest lady you'll ever meet. Every 5 minutes, some funny thing happens with her. And she doesn't mean to also. She'll be like, yay, another. And she's just funny. How are you, sister? I'm good, thank you. Pagla gayi hai kya? Yeah. Kabhi kabhi pagal hu. It's my vibe. Hi. Day. Hindi voice. What is Hindi voice? आप जिस नंबर को ट्राई कर रहे हैं वो इस समय व्यस्त है. That's my Hindi voice. कृपया थोड़ी देर बाद ट्राई करें. I hate that telephone lady because she's always so happy that I can't connect to the person, and she's like, the person you're trying to reach is not reachable. And I'm like, why are you so excited that I can't reach the person? Are you 5? What? Some of you like, how is Kamal sir? He's fine, thank you. Favorite band? Tough one. I love Michigan Beatles. Your recent favorite movie? I watched Tenet recently and I thought it was okay. Is that a controversial opinion? Hi Karan! How are you? Konnichiwa. She's like elastic. Oh yeah, ecstatic. Oh, I thought to tell Suku, my friend is here. I thought you said she's elastic, so I was trying to like think. I was like, the person you're trying to go. I thought you meant elastic like that. You mean it? Yeah, she's really happy. Thanks, Suku. Why is she so happy that we can't reach our people? Imagine how you will look in Gundu. ஒரு காலத்துல நல்ல குண்டானா இருந்தேன். You can Google it. You don't have to imagine. I was looking very gundu. My bomb is very big. I'm sorry. Somebody said my BOM is very big. Good bomb, no? Big bomb is good bomb. Oh man. If someone's like, do I watch IPL? I haven't watched at all this time. You're looking gorgeous. Thank you. Amrita, because of you, she's not answering me. Amrita. Karan Kanchan, Beat Pay. Yeah. Karan Kanchan and I, we write music together, but mostly we share cat videos. Black color suits you more. Thank you. In which language do I speak the most? Naptol, Tamil or Hindi? Dude, this is a question. I really love Tamil Naptol, but I'm more used to the Hindi one, you know, because like bachpan se I've been hearing that, no, so 99 rupees, you know. And on Sunday they have those special deals, and then they talk to the callers who order the tiffin dabba, and they'll be like, yeah, tiffin dabba, and then Tamil, the old ones, like before Naptol, like the tele shopping network, had like all these blonde people and blue eyed people like, Amma Cindy, idhula kaikari vettanona samaya irukum. I used to love that the most. The dubbed tele shopping was the best. Hi. Ha, na April la. Ennade? Can't able to understanding Amrita. I want to meet Kamal sir once in my life. I'm sure you will after the pandemic, hopefully. Opera music. I don't know if I can sing opera. I've trained in Indian classical, but not opera. It's damn hard, dude. I mean, I do it for fake fun at home, but I'm not going to do that here. I will do a whole live talking, singing, not talking thing. Hi madam. Akka one time Paramakudi solunga. Paramakudi Telugulo నేను చెప్పాను కదా next time I'll do a Telugu live separate, Hindi live alag se, and Tamil live. Hi. You always bring energetic look. Thank you. I'm not always like this. Sometimes I'm just like, me and my family are very good. Sing Marathi song. You know, I'm part Maharashtrian, and I don't. Deepraj, by the way, so funny. Love your page. I don't sing Marathi. I don't understand Marathi except the basic. It's really bad. I should learn. Naptol in Kapil Sharma show. Yeah, I'm still love. Norm, what up? Why you hating on me, mate? Why are you so lean? Because I'm lean machine taking over. No, I just like being lean. It's not a bad thing. Shouldn't be a bad thing. Fitness is good. Hi ma'am, please call my name. Botta Bomma. Oh, that's good, right? I love you. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to go in 5 minutes. I'm just having so much fun. You are still live, but don't reply me. Now we're going back into the say my name. Reply to me. Hi, I'm still live, but hi. Not hating, appreciating. That's the way, brother. Only appreciating, no hating. Akka! One person just goes, Akka! Yeah, song super. Thank you. What you had breakfast? Pizza. Akka! One more Akka, I love it. It feels like this is how it was growing up with Akshu. Like randomly she'll be like, Akka! Like I had so many kids also apart from Akshu around me calling me Akka. So I'm on a live. Sorry. Someone was just going to come and interrupt with their loud voice. What does somebody says? Oh, and your fitness is an phone number calling. Love you, Akka. Thank you. I'm not doing a Bollywood movie currently. I'm doing an Amazon show in Hindi. Anyway, people watch everything online now. Should I not say that? No, theaters are important. Sorry. But not during a pandemic. No. Akka, one more Akka. I love it. Akka and roses. Rose Akka. Call me darling. That's your name on Insta. Okay. Someone else is like Akka, 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 Akka. It's fun. Which show? It's a auntie voice. Hi. Hello, ma. How are you? Rose Akka. I love that. Crack movie, superb. Thank you. But that crack is spelled with a K. Will I sing Yara Yara Telugu version? Probably not. Akas! Lipstick is dominating my face. Well, that's the idea, darling. Nice background. Thanks. It's just my bookshelf. Akka namaste. So sweet. Thank you. I'm going in 3 minutes now. Akka, lots of red roses. I love it. This is what we should do, like Akka red roses. What is Akka? Akka means Didi in Tamil. Akka, when are you getting married? Amma, will you able to not? Please. DC or Marvel? DC for life. I do have Marvel stuff with DC. Rosie Akka. Oh, thank you. Akka, I love it. Would I go to Big Boss? No, I would not be able to stay confined like that. Unless it was alone, like in this situation. Malayalam I can understand. Can you say hi if I is hi? Bye Akka, bye. Now kuda po poren 3 minutes there. All books you like? I do like all my books. Ew. All these showbobs people are coming. Bye. Auntie. You mean annoying auntie? Are you calling me auntie? That's fine too. Appa, obviously. Akka, Janani, somebody's come out. Okay, so I'm going to go now. Thank you so much to all the lovely people. No thank you to showbobs. But all of you stay home, stay safe. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Rashu. Stay home, stay safe. This is not a great time. Be careful. Don't take things for granted. Be empathetic to everyone around you. Call and check up on people. Be of help. And just, spread good juju. No bad juju. And take care.